What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're looking at a very interesting budget-friendly gaming headset. Originally, this thing was like 40 bucks, then it went down to like $26. It's actually a #1 pick on Amazon. So apparently, a lot of people are really liking this headset. I'm glad I got a hold of it. Now, before we actually get started and get into it, this is a sponsored video, but it does not change my opinion on any product that I ever look at, ever. I have to pay the bills, but I'm also not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna give you my impression as I do in every video. So this is the V3 by Hunter Spider. It supports PlayStation 4, Xbox One, PC, Nintendo 3DS, a laptop, PSP, tablet, iPad, mobile phone, and it's got a really cool looking design. It's got some pretty crazy looking LEDs, so that's gonna be real interesting to see. I'm gonna shut off the lights here in the studio so we can really get a good look at it. Now, it does have a built-in volume control. I believe it's on inline volume control. It is plug and play, so you don't need any drivers. You just plug it in and use it. This thing is sporting two 50mm drivers. They're saying that the sound is clear and has deep bass, so we'll find out. Now, the microphone is an omnidirectional noise canceling microphone. It's only 0.8 pounds or 370 grams. Now, they're saying that it's extremely comfortable with very little pressure and it doesn't build up any heat. All right, let's just bust into this thing. All right, so first off, we have a splitter. Now, this is gonna be for PC, so you can use your headphones and then microphone. And it's a nice little braided one, too. Instruction manual. Oh my God, that looks awesome. Now, the whole thing is made of plastic, except for these pieces here. I believe this is brushed aluminum. Look how big and thick that headband is. It's huge. The padding on it is extremely soft. And then the microphone, you can pull it down like this, and this is like on this awesome flexible thing. Look at that. I believe the LED also shines through here. What, I just whistled? I believe this lights up too, at least from the box, that's what it looks like. And on the side there you have your little microphone holes. Now, the ear cups are big. They're very big. That is some seriously soft material. I don't know if that's like a protein synthetic leather or what, but that is really, really soft. You can extend it out, and here is also brushed aluminum, it looks like. The volume control, you got your volume right here, and you've got your microphone on and off switch. Now, the cable is a pretty heavy duty nylon cable. It's like 7 foot long, so that's really good. The connectors, you've got a 3.5mm and a USB. Oh my God. Oh yeah, there's no pressure. There's no pinch or anything like that. Man, look how big they are. They're huge. They look cool though. Boom. And that is cool. Shake test? No, not happening. All right, well, let's plug it in, man. What are we waiting for here? Let me grab my laptop. Here we go. I'm gonna just plug it straight in, and it should give it some power. Let's see what happens. Oh, wow, look at that. That's actually pretty cool. I'm digging that. All right, I'm gonna turn off the studio lights. Oh, that is cool looking. I'm digging those lights. Man, those are vibrant too. And then, of course, the microphone. Those are pretty cool headphones. All right, let's turn the lights back on. Okay. Movie magic is awesome. All right, so first I'm gonna do a mic test. Okay, so right now you're actually listening to me on my Rode Mic Pro that I use. So I'm gonna switch it over to here right now. So now you should be hearing my voice on this headset. But let's switch back over to the Rode Mic Pro. So this is what I typically sound like to you guys, and then back to the headset. Test, test, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm gonna try out the bass boosted. No. 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 All right, listen to this bass. Nah, the bass is not that great. I gotta say, it says that it's very deep bass. This specific bass boosted song is very deep bass. It's not coming through very clear. It sounds very muffled. Let's go ahead and check clarity real quick. No, it's not clear either. Okay, so first the cons. You know, it does feel a little cheap. The sound quality is not very good at all. When I'm listening to the bass, I don't know if you guys could really hear that, but the bass, it sounds very muffled. I was listening to Good Mythical Morning, you know, their audio is pristine. They're super clear. It wasn't clear at all. It almost sounds like everything that you're listening to through this is like you're listening to something through a wall. or on the other side of the door. I think the speaker is just not very good at all. Now the pros, it looks cool. They're very, very comfortable. They're lightweight. I could definitely see being fine with wearing these for a long period of time, but they just don't have the quality. The audio quality is really bad. I can't really suggest these to somebody who has expectations of headphones. Maybe for like a young child that doesn't have any high expectations of audio, that they're just like, oh my God, these are awesome. But overall, highs, mids, and lows, I'm gonna give them a 2 across the board. A 2 out of 10. It's not good. The audio's not good. Either way, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.